Hi everybody, I am going to discuss Java Access modifier. The subject is Java programming. Java Access modifier. Java Access modifier. First of all, what is Java Access modifier? A access modifier an access modifier restricts the class constructor within the class, data member within the class or outside the class, constructor, data members, and method in another class. So there is a restriction of accessing another class. So a access modifier restrict the class, constructor, data member, and method in another class. A access modifier in Java. An access modifier in Java specify the access or scope. Specify the access or scope of a field, method, class, constructor, etc. An access modifier in Java specify the class, scope, field, method, class, constructor, etc. So this is the access modifier. There are 4 types of access modifier. Now types of access modifier in Java. Types of access modifier in Java. Number 1, default access modifier. Default access modifier. Number 2, public access modifier. Number 3, private access modifier. And the 4th one is protected access modifier. So these are the 4 types of modifier in Java, access modifier in Java. First of all is default, then you can write a public, private, and protected. These are the 4 types of access modifier in Java. First of all, default. First one is default. Default access modifier. When we do not specify, default means when we do not specify any access information, access modifier information, then it is called default access modifier. When you do not specify the access of, when you do not specify any access modifier, then it is called default access modifier. Next, scope is limited. The scope of the default access modifier is limited. Scope is limited to the package only. That is, within the package it is visible. To the package only. The scope is limited to the package only. This is the second point. And the third one, it cannot be within the package only, so it cannot be accessed. From outside the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. it cannot be accessed from outside the package. It is the scope that is within the package only. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. Now the example. So this is default access modifier. Now the example of default access modifier. Suppose name of the package is package. Name of the package is package 1. Suppose package 1, and the public class name of the class is suppose addition. Name of the class is addition. Within the class there is a method, that is, this is a public class addition. Within the class there is a method that is int, it will return int add, and it will take two parameter, int x, suppose int y. There is no access specifier, that is default. এখানে কোনো access specifier আমরা দিচ্ছি না. So this is default, mean access within the class, within the package, that within the package only, and it will return suppose x plus y. So this is a simple package. Now consider another package. Suppose package 2. এই প্যাকেজ 2টা প্যাকেজ 1টাকে অ্যাক্সেস করতে চাইছে। সাপোজ পাবলিক ক্লাস suppose calculation class name is calculation, and within the class we are going to create the, and we have to import the package. First of all, we have to, before accessing the, import package 1 dot star. Now public class suppose calculator, name of the class is calculator, and within the class there is a main, public static void main, string edges, and we are going to access the addition class. Addition, suppose object is a equal to new addition, and int r equal to a dot add, suppose 53, system dot out dot println r. This program will shows error because this method name is default. তো এই ডিফল্ট মিন এখানে কোনো মেনশন করিনি কিছু অ্যাক্সেস, তো এটা বাই ডিফল্ট। তো ডিফল্ট কিউ ক্লাস ডিফল্ট মেম্বার ক্যান নট বি ইউজড বাই আদার প্যাকেজ। এই প্যাকেজের মধ্যে আমি এটা যদি মেন কি ইউজ করতাম, যদি এখানে পাবলিক স্ট্যাটিক মেন ইউজ করে আমি এটা কল করতাম, তাহলে উই ক্যান ক্রিয়েট। বাট যদি এই প্যাকেজ থেকে বেরিয়ে এসে আলাদা প্যাকেজ অ্যাক্সেস করতে চাই, তো ইট ইজ নট পসিবল, ইট উইল শোস এরর। সো দিস লাইন ইজ দ্য এরর। So default access specifier mean that is only within the scope of the package. Default access is within that, this method is accessible only the package, only within the package. So it cannot be accessed from another package. So this is the default access modifier, the first one. And the second one is suppose second one is private access modifier. Second one is private access modifier. Private access modifier. Private access modifier. This is the second one. Points. The scope of private access modifier is limited to class only, is limited to class only. আমরা ডিফল্টে কি দেখেছি, ডিফল্টে একটা ক্লাসের মধ্যে যে আমার একটা যে ক্লাসকে যখন প্যাকেজের মধ্যে তৈরি করছি, আরেকটা ক্লাস থেকে ওই প্যাকেজের মধ্যে আরেকটা ক্লাস ওই ডিফল্ট ভ্যালুটাকে অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারবেন, প্যাকেজের মধ্যেও স্কোপ থাকছে। কিন্তু প্রাইভেট মিন যদি আরেকটা ক্লাস থেকে ওই সেম প্যাকেজের মধ্যে যদি ওই ক্লাস থেকে আরেকটা ক্লাসে ওই যেটা প্রাইভেট করেছে সেটা অ্যাক্সেস করতে চায়, এরা দেখাবে। কারণ কি প্রাইভেট মিন প্রাইভেট টু দ্যাট ক্লাস অনলি, প্যাকেজ অনলি, প্যাকেজের মধ্যে তো অনেক ক্লাস থাকতে পারে, তাই ওই ডিফল্ট হলে কী হয়, একটা ক্লাস ওই প্যাকেজের মধ্যে ওই ক্লাসটা অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারে যেটা ডিফল্ট, বাট ইন প্রাইভেট ইট ইজ অনলি দ্যাট ক্লাস, দ্য স্কোপ অফ দ্য ক্লাস ইজ অনলি দ্যাট limited to that class. So this is the concept of private. Next, private data member and methods. We can apply member or methods. Private data members or methods are only accessible to the class. Private data member only accessible to the class. So this is the private data member and class method. If you use private class, then it's not possible to use those class from any package. So class and interfaces cannot be declared as private. Class and interfaces cannot be declared as private. You cannot declare it's private. You cannot even declare constructor as private. So this is the private access modifier is the scope within the class. Default mean within the class as well as from within the package, but in private limited to the class only. So this is the private access modifier. Now the example. Suppose this is the package name is package name is package 1, and the class is suppose name of the class is suppose ABC, and name of the class is ABC, and within the class there is a private data member. Suppose data member is integer x equal to 10, assign as 10, and there is a private method, private int, we need to find the square. So suppose there is a function name is square and the return value is int. Suppose this the return value is x y, and the parameter is y. Return value. This is the parameter is y. Return value is integer here. So this is the parameter which within the function name is square, and this is the parameter name y. Now suppose the return value is square mean y into y. So we are using one is data member is private, another method is private. So this is the class. Now when we are going to access, suppose this is a package 2, we are going to access package 2, import package 1, import package 1 dot star, then it is not possible to access from any class. Suppose class name is suppose xyz, and we are there is a public static void main, there is a public static void main function string args, but when we are going to access it is not possible. Suppose we are going to access the x variable, or we can use the square, it is not possible. The ABC is the class name. Suppose object is capital A, new ABC, there is a error because a dot square is not possible, a dot x equal to 20 is not possible, so there will be error. The private mean this existence of the x and existence of the square is only within this class, is existence of this private member is within this class. No class, ইভেন যদি একটা ক্লাস থাকতো, এইখানে একটা এই প্যাকেজে 1 এর মধ্যে একটা ক্লাস থাকতো, তো সেই ক্লাসটাও একে অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারতো না, বিকজ এক্সিস্টেন্স স্কোপ অফ দিস প্রাইভেট মেম্বার্স আর উইদিন দ্যাট ক্লাস. So it is not possible to access from outside the class. So it is not possible to access the package outside from any package. So private mean it's private to the class. Next one is third one is that is protected. Third one is protected access modifier. Protected access modifier can be accessible from one class to another. That is, it is used to inherit from one class to another class. Protected data member and methods. Protect data members and method are only accessible by classes are only accessible by classes are only accessible by classes of the same package and the subclasses present in any specific package we can use in any specific package. Classes cannot be protected. You can use the protected you can use the protected in data member or methods. Classes cannot be protected access modifier. So there is a parent child relationship, that is the inherited concept. আমি যদি protected data member specify করি and protected method, then we can extend this class to another class, that is we can extend the package to within another package. So this is the possibility of parent child relationship. Now the example of protected access modifier. Example of protected access modifier. Example of protected access modifier. Package name is suppose package 1. You can use any package name. Okay, package name, that is package 1. Public class, cannot use protected class. Okay, this public class, name of the class is suppose addition, and within the addition there is a protected, that is access modifier, integer return value, name of the function is add, and the parameters are x and y. These are the two parameters. Our return value is return x plus y, and this is the end of the class. Now I am going to access this package 1 from another package. That is, suppose the name of the package is here, name of the package is package 2. Package 2. Import package 1 dot, just using this package, so you have to import this package 1 dot star mean all classes. Here there's a class name is only addition. You can use suppose public class addition, public class subtraction, multiplication, division. We can use many classes. Okay, just star mean all. Import package 1 dot star. Now I'm going to access the class, another class. Suppose class is subtraction. First of all, I am importing the package actually. Class sub. Suppose the name of the class is addition and the name of the class is subtraction. Class sub extend, because there is a protected concept, so we can extend the class. So one class can be extended to another class. This class extend, public class sub extend mean inheritance of the class name is here addition. So this is the extend concept. We can use the extend version of the class. There is sub is the extend version of the addition. Now there is a public static void main. Public static mean as we are using protected, so we can extend. Public static void main string args, and we can create the object. Object is name of the class is here. Name of the class is sub. This is extend version of the addition sub, and the object is s. Suppose new s, new sub, and we can call this addition method because there is a protected access specifier. So s dot add, and the value is suppose 5 and 6, and the return value is suppose x int x equal to. So x equal to, this is x equal to s dot add 5 6. This is return value x integer. So now system.out.println, we can print the value system.out.println, result is, that is the X. So using protected, we can use, when we use protected access specifier, so we can inherit the method from one class to another class, from one package to another package. So this is the basic concept of protected. Now the last one is public, যেটা আমরা সবচেয়ে বেশি পরিমাণ ইউজ করি. This is the public access modifier. This is the last modifier. It is public access modifier. The member methods such as methods, classes, constructor can be declared public, so that we can access from anywhere, So the public is the most useful access modifier. So we can access from anywhere. There is no restriction. তো আমরা এখন অবধি যা প্যাকেজ তৈরি করেছিলাম আগে ভিডিওতে, সেখানে আমরা সব পাবলিক অ্যাক্সেস করেছিলাম. সো উই ক্যান অ্যাক্সেস any method, any data member, any constructor. There is no restriction. For example, suppose there is a package 1, name of the package is package 1, public class, suppose the class name is A, name of the class is A, and within the class there is a public void display. Suppose one method is public void display, and message is system.out.println, just display suppose hi. And there is another public void show, suppose another method is there, public void show, system.out.println, suppose there is a hello message, hello, this message is hello, and this is the end of the show, and this is the end of the class A. Suppose another package where another package is suppose package 2 p2, and import the package, import package 1.star mean class, these classes, all the method within the class will be imported, package 1. Now the method can be accessed, so there is we need a class, suppose class public, you have to use public class suppose B, and public static void main, string ERGS, public static void main is string ERGS. Now we can use the class A, suppose object name is obj equal to new A, and we can call the method display, suppose obj dot display, it will display hi, and we can use obj dot show, it will display hello. So in public there is no restriction of use any data member, constructor, methods, variables. So there is no restriction of data member, methods, or any interface or anything. So there is a matrix of access matrix. This is the access matrix. There is a matrix. Suppose we have to draw the this is the public. Suppose we draw the access specifier first. Suppose protected. This is the public. The second one is protected. Space protected. Second one is protected. Third one is suppose default, and the fourth one is private. This is the row of access modifier. Then the informations are Number one is suppose class. Number two is package. These are the access table. This is a package. Next is subclass, mean inheritance. One class inherited by another class, subclass. This is subclass within same package. Suppose this is within package. This is within package. Here space comma, so it within package. Then next one is, hope the visibility is subclass within package. This is within package. Next is subclass, different package, deep package, different package. This is package, different package, and then this is the outside class. This is outside class. So this is row is public, protected, default, and তোমরা সব এটা লিখে নিও একবার, তাহলে বেটার আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড হবে। ক্লাস, প্যাকেজ, সাবক্লাস, দিস ইজ উইদিন প্যাকেজ, সাবক্লাস ডিফারেন্ট প্যাকেজ, দিস ইজ আউটসাইড ক্লাস। নেমের স্পেলিংগুলো যে স্পেস কম আছে এই জন্য এটা এরকম আছে। তো পাবলিক ক্যান অ্যাক্সেস প্যাকেজ, পাবলিক ক্যান অ্যাক্সেস ক্লাস, ইয়েস। One class from another class, yes. Package, another package, yes. Another subclass, yes. Another subclass, that is a different package. At the same package, this subclass touch a different package, yes. Outside the class, yes. All are yes. In case of public, all are yes. In protected, you can use the class, yes. From the class you can use package, yes. You can use from package also. Subclass, yes. Just one class to another class, it, yes. Within package, but outside the different package you cannot use this. That is no. Yes. Within now different, that is outside the class, yes. That is also yes. That is also yes. And outside the class, no. That is outside the class, no. So that is yes, no. Meaning you can use the class, yes. Package, yes. Within the class, yes. Different class, mean inheriting one class to another class, যেটা আমি এক্সাম্পল দেখিয়েছি ওখানে ইয়েস আছে, অলরেডি ইনহেরিট করেছিলাম, সো এটা ইয়েস, অ্যান্ড দ্যাট লাস্ট ওয়ান ইজ নো। তো এটা তোমাদের টেবিলটা মুখস্থ রাখতে হবে। এটা আমি জাস্ট মাইন্ড থেকে আমি ক্যালকুলেশন করে বলছি প্রত্যেকটা স্টেপ। নাও ডিফল্ট ইন কেস অফ ডিফল্ট, যেটা আমরা আগে দেখেছি, ইন কেস অফ ডিফল্ট দ্যাট উই নো দ্যাট ইট ইজ ভিজিবল দ্য ক্লাস, ইয়েস। উইদিন প্যাকেজ, ইয়েস। Within the package, yes. That is subclass of the same package, subclass in the same package, mean the within the same package, yes. মানে প্যাকেজের মধ্যে আরেকটা ক্লাস এক্সটেন্ড করেছি, yes. But different package, no, because it is visible only that class. Outside the class, it is not possible. So these are the নোটা বেড়ে যাচ্ছে আস্তে আস্তে। তো ম্যাট্রিক্সটা মনে রাখা খুবই সুবিধা। ইয়েসের সংখ্যা প্রথমে বেড়ে গেছে, নোটা ধীরে ধীরে বাড়ছে ডায়াগোনালি। নেক্সট প্রাইভেট। In case of private, just access within the class. So just first one is yes, all are no. So this is easy to remember, this access modifier. Again I am repeating this table. This table is very important table and very useful table. Towards the first step, you have to write public, protected, default and private. Remember this one, public, protected, default and private. Private is the last. You have to write this one. Then there are 5 columns. First column is class, then within the class, then is package, package within the class, sub class, and you can extend one class to another class, that is super class to subclass within package, subclass outside the package, mean different package, and outside the class, outside class. In case of public, all are yes. Within a class, yes. Within package, yes. Within same package subclass, yes. Within different package subclass, yes. Outside the class, yes. Protected, within the class, yes. Within package, yes. Within same package, yes. Within different package, yes. But outside the class, not. Outside the class, not. Default. In case of default, within the class, yes. Within the package, yes. Within the subclass, and the package should be there within the subclass should be the within the package, yes. There is no. So no here, yes is more. Now no is incremented. Now no is defaulted, no দুটো হয়েছে, protected one, and private all are no except the class, yes. Remaining all are no. So this is known as access modifier matrix. Thank you very much. So this is the end of the package chapter. So all topics is covered within the package chapter. Thank you very much.